Hi YouTubers, I'm starting a new channel and you guessed it, it's about guns. Anyways, yeah, the purpose I want, that I want to start this new channel is to let you know that, well, not let you know, but to get people to share their opinions on their favorite firearm. And basically what I'm going to do also is I'm going to start a new blog. It's called survivalguns.blogspot.com. Please join my blog and share your experience with your favorite firearm and your recommendations and etc. Yeah, I mean, basically just for gun enthusiasts, and I will share my personal favorite, and that's the Glock 17. And on this, well, let me just show you that it's not loaded. It's nothing in the magazine. Yeah. Anyways, oh, check this out. Got a nice flashlight on this thing as well. This is brand spanking new. I've only probably fired it like 50 rounds down the tube. Anyways, I will be posting new videos to either my new channel or into on the blog of videos that I found that that I find worthy of watching for certain guns. So you really should join the blog. I will have the link posted right below. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we can all get together and share information. Have a nice day.